Good morning.
I don't know.
So, walang walang nga palang mainit na tubig. Di ko lang bakit. So, papakulo na lang tayo mamaya.
Ha? Ano? Doon sa ano?
Dito. Dito. So, bagong gising. Currently, nasa day 3. Which is Wednesday na, diba? So, kahapon, hindi na ako nakapag-log for end of day kasi medyo busy. Daming ginawa, 2 beses natulog. Tapos, parang lipat-lipat ng island. Earlier, pinost ko yung sa travel going to Sabtang. Diniscuss ko naman in detail yung sa current, sa waves, tsaka yung makita namin flying fish. The flying fish. Amazing. For day 3, ang agenda today is first magluto ng breakfast, which is tapos na yung noodles, niluto na ni Eric yung hotdog, which is half cooked ko na. Yung kanin is iniin-in na. And then, South Batang ba?
Batanes.
Ay, South Batan ang agenda. Parang feeling ko pagod ako eh. Pero okay naman. Ang daming pagkain kagabi.
Sarap mo?
May crab, may ano tawag doon? Shrimp, may tuna, may yung parang yun, yung pagkaka-explain niya ng ninang na Erica. Inadobo siya na walang suka at toyo.
Adobo sa asin.
Inadobo sa asin. Ganun daw, parang, technically parang buro yung explanation niya. Parang buro kasi yung pagkaka-explain niya. After kumain, 7:30 kasi alas na kami. So, time check is, baliktad. 6:12. So, 6:12. 7:30 ko naman yung alas namin. So, antay kanin, antay mainit na tubig, and then we'll eat. See you guys later. So for day 3, kami ay magpupunta sa south ng Batan Island. Batan Island is the main island ng Batanes. So for the previous days, kami ay nakapag-tour sa north ng Batan, and now we're gonna explore the south of it. Kasama pa rin natin yung ating tour guide na napakamaalam tungkol sa Batanes, of course, dahil dito siya lumaki. And he'll show us yung mga dapat na puntahan pag nasa south ng Batan. And from what I know, ang una namin pupuntahan ay isang lighthouse. So FYI, Batanes has multiple lighthouses surrounding the island. Well, before, it was constructed or ginawa itong mga lighthouses para magbigay alam dun sa mga fishermen or mga isda at saka dun sa mga barko na they're close to land, and for them not to crash, of course, dun sa mga isla. Pero now, it's commonly used for tourists to get, good pictures, get good views, and, get a picture of a building that was constructed way, way, way back years ago. So tara, sama kayo. Sa lighthouse. Okay, so for our second stop, we went to Imnachbu Church. I'm not quite sure kung tama yung pagkakapronounce ko. So, pasensya na po kung mali. But it is also known as the San Lorenzo Ruiz Church after its patron saint, San Lorenzo Ruiz. Next up, we have Marlborough Hills, or for others, they call it Marlborough Country. It's a wide open area or view deck, if you will. The view will leave you breathless, but the wind will give you more than your lungs can take. Mayabang itong lugar na ito. In short, mahangin. Talino ko rin. We almost had the area all to ourselves dahil sa season na nagpunta kami. Perfect place to take pictures with a very beautiful background. Swerte na rin, beautiful yung kasama ko. Syempre, hindi mawawala mga kalokohang pictures. Kahit trick ang araw at 100% chance na mangitim, wala kaming pake. Even if you don't have a camera to take pictures or film videos, this place will surely leave a mental mark inside your heads. Pag nasa ganitong klase kang lugar, hindi mo alam kung totoo ba yung nakikita ng mga mata mo. Para kasi siyang painting eh. Ewan ko, ako lang ba o may ganun din mag-isip? So for our next adventure, kami nagpunta sa kung tawagin ay White Beach. Yun lang yung tawag sa kanya, White Beach. It's near the Homoron Blue Lagoon, which is also known as the Spaniards Lagoon. Unfortunately, wala na tayong video doon kasi by day 3, medyo nagtitipid-tipid na tayo sa memory ng ating camera. But yeah, this is one of the places we went to when we did the South Batanes tour. So it's a beach that has white sand and a beautiful road that has a perfect view of a very tall mountain. On our supposed to be way back home, Kuya Alvin or our guide told us of a place to eat for lunch. Since kami ay mahilig kumain, pumayag kami. The place or the karinderya is called Batanes. So kami umorder na isda, gulay at sandamukal na kanin. Sa totoo lang medyo may kamahalan yung ibang kainan sa Batanes. Meron din naman sakto lang. Pero price versus taste, I'd say panalo. Pwera biro. Promise. So, eating is one way to gain energy at kung sa Batanes ay balak mo maglakad-lakad or magbike, which is pwede ka actually mag-rent ng bike. May mga tindahan nagpaparent ng bike and ng motorcycles. Yeah. Kailangan mo kumain ng marami. Kung hindi mo kabisado ang lugar, ay huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Mababait ang mga tao sa Batanes, promise. Pwera biro. Here's a few pictures ng iba pa naming pinuntahan sa tour. We really were struggling para sa natitirang storage ng camera files. Sa mga gusto mag-sponsor, salamat in advance. that would be all for day 3. Pagka-uwi kay na Nanay Sita sa pagod, tulog. When we woke up, nag-prepare ng dinner, kumain tapos naglakad-lakad. Tahimik sa Batanes paggabi gaya ng ibang probinsya. Madilim rin dito pero hindi siya yung dilim na matatakot ka maglakad-lakad sa kalsada. Mahirap explain eh. Basta yun. Totoo yung kasabihan, time flies when you're having fun. Patapos na yung day 3 namin sa Batanes. Busog na yung mata ko sa ganda ng tanawin. Day 4. Wala na masyadong activity yung naisip namin for day 4 and 5. Mostly kasi nung planning palang ng itinerary, iniisip na namin na baka pagod na kami ng day 4 and 5. Nag-recommend si Ninang Josie, Ninang ni Erica, ng trip which is sa kung tawagin ay Fountain of Youth. Pero surprise, walang fountain. Di ba? Walang fountain yung Fountain of Youth. Para siyang infinity pool na ang katapat ay beach. So, beach, yung bundok ng Batanes, and all of its beauty. So, yeah. Bago kami makapunta dito, or bago ka makapunta rito, kailangan mo muna maglakad ng humigit kumulang 1 oras. That's right, people. 1 hour na lakad. It's good though. Kasi maganda naman talaga yung mapupuntahan nyo. I mean, maganda yung lugar. We also went to the beach, pero grabe sa lakas yung alon. Kahit marunong ka lumangoy, matatakot ka pa rin. So, dumating yung mga kamag-anak ni Erica, si Ninang Josie. However, feeling ko sanay na sila dun sa lugar, tsaka dun sa Fountain of Youth. Kaya hindi sila masyado nagtagal. So, nagdala sila ng food, bread, and chicherya. And then we went home. So since we had a lot of time for day 4, nag-decision na lang kami mag-rent ng motorcycle para magbisita yung mga medyo malapit lang na tourist destination na malapit kay Nanay Sita. So ito yung mga pinuntahan namin ng day 1, binalikan lang namin siya ng nakamotor. It's fairly easy. Kung alam lang namin na madali lang pala yun, sana yun lang ginawa namin since day 1. So, come evening, meron parang fiesta or may onting event na nangyari dun sa may plaza. And so we went there, nanood kami ng onte. So may onting kantahan, kung di ako nagkakamali, na nangyari dun. We also saw this milk teahan, which is nagbebenta sila ng 1 liter. 1 liter na milk tea, which is, as you can see here, bumili si Erica. Inubos niya lahat yun. Hindi ako humingi. And that's all, folks, for day 4. Finally, the day has arrived. Ang araw ng aming pag-uwi. So, this is day 5. Day 5, no activities whatsoever. We packed up our things. Nagpa-picture kay Nanay Sita. So, took a picture using Instax. Tapos, iniwan namin to dun sa parang wall ni Nanay Sita ng mga souvenir from clients. So, yan. We had an early flight. So, sinundo kami ni Alvin, yung aming official tour guide, ng maaga. And of course, we also took some pictures with him. And then off to the airport. So, it's a very small airport. Very small planes. Can only cater a few people. And yeah, the stay was good. So, up until now, it's already 2021. Ngayon ko lang napag-isipang tapusin tong vlog na ito. Pero every time I remember Batanes, I still see everything so clearly. It's a very beautiful place. The fact na I was able to spend it with the most beautiful person I know is, a very, 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 very generous gift from the universe. So yeah, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Share if you want.